What's up guys, the XNS powered Galaxy S10 Plus produced some pretty lackluster scores earlier today that likely were not representative of its full potential. And to back this theory up, the regular Galaxy S10 powered by the same chip has just been spotted some significantly better numbers. Samsung Galaxy S10 powerful, just not the most powerful. Produced by the same chip XNS 9820 and 6GB of RAM combination found in the larger model, the regular variant of the Samsung's upcoming flagship reached a total of 9,570 points on multi-core test and a very respectable 4,382 points on the single-core alternative. These numbers are 1,571 and 1,134 points ahead of the Galaxy S10 Plus that was spotted earlier and are more or less on par with the expectations for the chipset at this stage. Once the chip is tested in combination with the final software, though, the multi-core result will probably as closer to the 10,000 mark, putting it on par with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro's Kirin 980 and slightly behind Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855. Much like last year's XNS 9810 and A11 Bionic, it's also worth noting that this year XNS 9820, which is manufactured using the 8nm process, is not expected to be best Apple's 7nm A12 Bionic. Following in the footsteps of larger Galaxy S10 Plus, the regular Galaxy S10 will arrive complete with the same triple camera setup on the rear. This means consumers can expect to see 12-megapixel variable aperture camera, a telephoto alternative, and a third sensor complete with a wide-angle lens. Up front, an improved selfie camera is to be expected too. Speaking of the front, the Galaxy S10 is set to include a 6.1-inch Infinity O display which features a small display hole in the corner. This will be paired with minimal bezels around it. Also set to be part of the package is a dedicated Bixby button, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a bottom firing speaker. The Galaxy S10 will be announced in both London and San Francisco simultaneously at a Feb 20 event. The flagship is set to be joined by the Galaxy S10e and the Galaxy S10 Plus, as well as the foldable Galaxy Fold if the company's teasers are anything to go by. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And yeah, as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.